You want to know what's prompted me to make this video? Well, basically, I kind of just got threatened by YouTube. Hey y'all, RoamTownGirl here. I know, long time no see. I had no idea that once you met the criteria to be a monetized channel, that could actually fall into jeopardy and they could take that away from you. So this morning, I get this quasi-threatening email from YouTube. Here's what it says. Hi, RoamTownGirl. We noticed you haven't posted any content to your YouTube channel, RoamTownGirl, for several months and have fallen below the eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program. We know monetization is important to you as a creator, so we want to let you know that unless you meet the YouTube Partner Program eligibility threshold in the next 30 days, we will disable monetization on RoamTownGirl, and after that, we will cancel your contract and decommission my channel, basically. I think the last time that I posted consistently was almost a year ago when I was in the mountains of San Diego and I was enduring Snowmageddon 2023. I've just been enjoying my life as a nomad, and boy oh boy have I gone to some amazing places. After I left the snow up in the mountains near Julian, I then went to Joshua Tree, and I went to the Salton Sea, and I went to Slab City, and then I bought a Nevada State Park pass, and I started going to all the Nevada state parks. And I gotta tell you, every one I went to was even more wonderful than the previous one. And I will show you all those parks. And then I spent my summer in Idaho. Oh my God, I have never been to such a green state. It was gorgeous there. It was also kind of hot, but anyway, I spent a couple months there, and because you know me, I'm kind of a hard ass with those stickers, you know, I don't give it for just spending the night or driving through a state. For me, I really have to have gone through the entire state, feel like I got a real good lay of the land feeling. So I will show you all the places I went to in Idaho. And I went to Harvest Host in between, and I found really cool roadside attractions at my favorite website, roadsideamerica.com. So I just have tons and tons and tons of things to show you. I have lots and lots and lots of videos to edit and post. You like that shot? I guess it's a good thing that external forces are forcing me to get back online, because the truth is I really have missed you guys. I can't tell you how many days something happened or I come up with some new hack and I think I really got to make a video and share this with everyone. So I hope that you will make sure that you're subscribed, and in the name of keeping this channel alive, would you please be so kind as to make sure you've checked the notification bell, and that way you'll know every time I post a new video. And when I do, could you watch it from beginning to end? Because I think that's where I'm falling down, is I no longer meet their watch hour criteria. And if you don't want to wait until I post my first video in the next week or so, go back and check out some of my previous ones. That'll help too. All right, so good to see all of you again, and let's get this party started. See you next time.